Hello, welcome to day 164 of 365 days of art in nature. We have another blank page with just a few words on there. Draw some crops or grasses. So that got me thinking about this fantastic book that I have in my studio, Sketching Made Easy by Helen Douglas Cooper. And I love this book because it really provides some insight into different ways that you can sketch, not just landscapes, but that's my focus, using different strokes. So this is what I'm referring to. So as you can see, there's lots of different ways to lay down pencil to depict elements in landscape. Very, very simple, but sometimes you need to be reminded of how simple drawing can be to create a pretty magical image. So I'm going to do pencil sketches for this one and using some of the techniques out of this book. So see how you go with that. I'll be interested to see what you do. Thanks for watching.